Right. So note down the question. All the basics, everything required to solve the gate question. I told you. Yes, sir. हम आ गए. Hmm, Uh, what you saying, sir? It is true or false? Recursion in programming language cannot dynamics. Right. It's okay. Concentrate what I am teaching. So later we can take up your doubts, if you have any doubts. Okay. So character yes of 5. So note down. So the places London, Birmingham, Houston, Milpitas, and Macau. So copy the question. So there are the places London, Birmingham, Houston, and Milpitas and Macau. Okay. So copied. Okay. So copy this. Right. So these are all the places of my working places. Okay. So I worked in all these places. Okay. When I was my first starting career, I was into IT. I was a software engineer working into software companies, various companies. I worked almost 6 to 7 years. Okay, so in the London and UK, in the UK I worked 1 year, and in the United States also I worked in 1 year, and in China also I worked for 6 months. Right? So London is a okay, you know, right? It is in the UK, and Birmingham is also near to London. Okay, around 30-40 miles. Okay, near to London. So Birmingham, I worked there also in some company, and Houston is in the Texas. It is in the United States. I worked there in a company called FMC, right? It's a oil and digging gas company. Like implemented software for that. And next, Milpitas is in California. Houston is in the Texas, and Milpitas in the California. Okay, so in California, it's a small town. Milpitas is a small town in California, right, near to San Francisco, right? So Milpitas is the headquarters of the SanDisk. Milpitas is a headquarter of SanDisk. All of you know SanDisk, right? USB card, pen drive, and USB card, SanDisk. So I worked in Milpitas. There's a SanDisk headquarters. Okay, I worked there. So next is the Macau. Macau is in the China. Okay, so I worked there also, right? So these are all my working places. So just copy that. Okay, fine. So make the proper diagram, very proper diagram. Carefully understand what is given in the question. I think all total 7 printfs are there. So just give the numberings. I'll give the numberings just for understanding. 1, so 2, third, okay, 4th, 5th, 6th, and 7th. So just do that carefully. Make the proper diagram. Okay, I think there is a small printing mistake. Yeah, that should be double plus. Yeah. So I think आप लोग यहाँ तक तो नहीं आए होंगे. So this is a double plus. So friend, double plus 3 था. Yes, yes. Okay, so it was just a printing mistake. So it is a double plus p. Right. Okay, plus p. Just change it. Just change it. Yes, yes. Kundan. So I made the printing mistake. Yeah. Okay. So double place only. Sorry. Yeah, Varun. So how was the experience in the industry, sir? Yes, it's very good. How to find jobs in different countries? Yeah. First, you go for M.Tech, you will understand. So, like, what was the platform you applied through? And yeah, Hari Om Meena. Yeah, second printf. I give the printing mistake. Just respect 1000%, sir. Aditya Srivas. Thank you, beta. Thank you. Yeah, Preeto Saha. Sorry. Yeah. Actually, I'm not looking at your comments. Your comments are not visible somehow. But now I saw your comments. Yeah. Change karo. Draw the diagram properly and do that. So it's a star minus a star plus p plus 3. Right. Yeah, everyone is correct. So it means you are in the right track. Oh, Amulya Gulati, she gave the answer directly. Wow. Right. Amulya Gulati, yes, excellent. You gave almost everything correct. Wow. First attempt, all correct. Excellent. Yeah, MD Akbar, yes, you are also almost correct. I think everyone is correct. You are right. Sir, which city was your best experience? London. London is a very good city. London is one of the best city in the world. London is the best city in the world. Yeah, MD Akbar, yes, you also gave all correct beta. Very good. Almost correct. You are the second person giving all answers. Amulya Gulati, first person. Solve करो पहले. Question solve करो. Focus on the question. Oh, okay. Sorry, Amulya Gulati. Right. Okay. Sorry. Sorry. Okay. Your name. Yeah, I thought. Okay. Fine. Fine. I don't know. Sorry. Yeah. Sandeep, or I can understand. Okay. Okay. Yeah, many people are giving right answer. Gaurav Kumar, the last one is the percentile C. And the last one is a percentile C. Percentile C means it will print only character. Muni Bali, where is your answer? That's a, so fine. Yeah. So I think you are right. Muni Bali, I think you are. So yeah, MD Akbar, yes, you are right. That statement is correct. Recursion program can be implemented with dynamic storage. Yes, sir. Allocate. You will implement with the stack. That is a dynamic allocation only. Right. So I'll start writing the diagram. So I think my board is very small. So I'll try to adjust here. So London, so Birmingham, then okay. So you are storing character by character like this. So I think everybody understands this. So you are having base address 100. This is 200. So this is 300, the 400, and this is the 500. Okay. So character by character. So this is the 200, 201, 202 like this. Okay. All that. So the 100, 101, 102, 103. Okay. Right. So next, you are having the ACM. Okay. AC is the array. So fine. So AC is the array. So okay, this is having some base address 600. Okay. 604, 608, 612, and 616. So this is 100, 200, 300, 400, and 500. So it is pointing to this. Okay. So diagram तो match हुआ सबका, right? So next is what here? PTR. So PTR is also array of 5 elements. Let's take base address 700, 704, 712, 716. So yes means 600, 604, 608, 612 and 616. So it is pointing to this. Okay. And P में क्या store किया? PTR. So PTR means 700. It is pointing to this. Is having some base address 800. Okay, right. So this is the diagram. So I think the first printf I am explaining. Listen carefully. Time up, guys. Solve किया सब लोग? Right. Diagram match हुआ सबका? Right. So listen carefully when I am explaining. Right. Okay. So percentage yes. Okay. Double star plus plus P. So these are the unary operators. Unary operators associated with is right to left. Unary operators associated with is right to left. So here you say plus plus P. So it's a pre-increment. So pre-increment. So P will increment. When you say plus plus P, so this becomes what? 704. So this pointer is no more and it is pointing to this. 704. So that pointer is no more. So now P is pointing to, okay, 704. So 704 को क्या करना? Double star. You need to apply double star. Now tell me if I apply 1 star. If I apply 1 star, value at the location 704. Tell me, value at the location 704. What is that? 604. And one more star, value at the location 604. Value at the location 604. How much is that? 200. Okay, right? So you are giving the base address. You are providing the base address 200. So percentage yes, percentage yes, what is it is expecting? Percentage yes is expecting what? Base address. So from the base address provided, it will print all the characters until the null character. So you are providing 200. So from the base address 200, it will print all the characters until the null character. So from the base address 200, it will print. So what is the output? It will print Birmingham. The first output will be what? Birmingham. Okay, so you are providing 200. Remember, 200 is not printed. 200 is not printed on the screen. 200 I am writing just to make sure you understand. So the base address चाहिए. Okay, percentage इसको base address चाहिए. You are giving base address. Base address is a 200. From the base address 200, it will print all the characters until the null character. So what is the output? It will print Birmingham. So the first output will be what? Birmingham. So fine. Next. Now the second one, if you observe here, same, these are the unary operators and this is the binary operators. Unary operator is having high precedence compared to binary operator. So the first, okay, you have to implement this. First you have to find out this value, and whatever the value you get for this, for that, you need to add plus 3 karna hai. You need to add plus 3. Listen carefully when I am explaining. Listen carefully when I am explaining. Listen carefully when I am explaining. Okay, इधर उधर मत देखो, ध्यान से सुनो, because it is very difficult to come back and explain once again. Okay, दोबारा explain करना मुश्किल हो जाएगा. जब मैं बोल रहा हूं तो ध्यान से सुनो. When I am explaining, listen carefully. Now tell me, if I say plus plus p, listen carefully. If I say plus plus p, so p value will increment. So this will become 708. When you say 708, this pointer is no more and it is pointing to this. Point into this. So plus plus p is completed. And next, okay, star. You go to star. Okay, plus plus p your star. Star means what? Value at the location 708. value at the location 708, how much is that? 608. 608 को क्या करना है? Minus minus. So when you say 608 minus minus, so this value will change to what? 604. When this value changes to 604, this pointer is disconnected, and now this is also pointing to what? 604. Okay, remember this is a pre-decrement. The value changes here. This is including assignment. This value will change to 604. 604 का star apply करो. Value at the location 604. How much is that? 200 only. Is that clear? So 200 को क्या करना? Plus 3 करना. So look at here. So what you are providing? 200 here. This entire value is the 200. 200 को plus 3 करे तो क्या होगा? 203. 200 means what? It is pointing to this one, this element. 200 is the address only. Okay, address. Okay, pointer only. 200 is also pointer. When you increment a pointer, it will increment with respect to size of the element to which it is pointing to. What is the size of every element here? Every element size is 1 byte. Every element size 1 byte. So 200 plus 3 करेंगे 203. So from the base address 203, okay, it will print all the characters until the null character. परसेंटेज एस को बेस एड्रेस देना चाहिए. अपन दे रहे बेस एड्रेस, यू आर गिविंग बेस एड्रेस ओनली. फ्रॉम द बेस एड्रेस प्रोवाइडेड प्रिंट्स ऑल द कैरेक्टर्स अंटिल द नल कैरेक्टर. सो 203 से प्रिंट होगा. दिस इज 200, 201, 202, 203. 203 मीन्स इट विल प्रिंट फ्रॉम एम. एम से प्रिंट होगा. एम से प्रिंट होगा. सो दैट इज द मिंगम. सो दिस इज द आउटपुट. ओके, सेकंड वन इज व्हाट? मिंगम. नेक्स्ट. Now the third one, okay, p of minus 2 whole star plus 3. So this one also, okay, you can do that just like simple p of minus 2 whole star. Okay, so I'm writing here third one. I'm writing in this. Okay, so p of minus 2 whole star, okay, plus 3. So this you can expand p minus 2 whole star. Okay, again apply whole star plus 3. Now tell me what is the p value? P value is what? 708 minus 2. Okay, whole star. And again, whole star means same whole star only, right? Okay, if you want, you can write whole star plus 3. Right? So, right? Understand here. Now tell me 708 minus 2. Look at here, P minus 2. P value is what? 708. P is a variable. Variable means inside value 708. 708 minus 2 करेंगे तो क्या होगा? 700. Okay, because the 708 is also a pointer. You decrement by the size of the element. Size of the element is what? 4 bytes. So minus 1 करे तो 704, minus 2 करे तो क्या होगा? 700. Okay, so this becomes 700. So इसको star करो and again apply whole star plus 3. Value at the location 700. Tell me. Now remember here p minus 2 minus p minus 2 means 708 minus 2 है, so this value becomes 700. Remember the p value will not change. p value change नहीं होगा. There is no assignment in this. इसमें कोई assignment नहीं है. Okay, p minus 2 करके उसका value मैं ले रहा हूं, मगर p का value change नहीं कर रहा हूं. I'm just taking the p minus 2 value, but we are not changing the p value. Okay, understand here. So value at the location 700. How much is that? Value at the location 700. That is 600. 600. एक स्टार हो गया. Apply one more star. Value at the location 600. Value at the location 600. How much is that? 100. So 100. 100 plus 3 करो. That is 103. So that's it. So you are providing 103. So this is the third printf. I'm writing clearly. So 103 you are providing. So percentage yes है. Okay, that is expecting base address. You are giving 103. Base address 103. So from the base address 103. Will print all the characters until the null character. So 103. So this is 100. Okay, this is 100. 101, 102, 103. 103 print होगा. Don print होगा. D-O-N. Don. Okay. Next. Now this one P of minus 1 plus 1. So if anybody is having doubt, so that one I am writing here. So P of minus 1 plus 1. So listen here, this is the fourth printf I am writing here, I am solving. So how we are going to solve this? P minus 1 whole star minus 1 whole star plus 1. So now P value is how much here? Okay, P value is 708. So 708 minus 1 whole star minus 1 whole star. okay, plus 1. Oh, 708 minus 1, so that is 704 whole star minus 1 whole star, okay, plus 1. 708 को whole star करो, value at the location 708. Tell me value at the location 708. 604 value at the location 704 value at the location 704. How much is that? 604. So this value is 604. 604 minus 1 whole star plus 1. 604 minus 1. Okay, 604. Okay, it is pointing to this. 604 is here. If I say minus 1, that becomes okay 600. Okay, 600 को whole star लगाओ plus 1 करो. Value at the location 600. Value at the location 600. That is the 100. So 100 plus 1 करेंगे तो 101. Okay, so 100 plus 1 करेंगे तो 101. So this is the fourth printf. Okay, so you are providing 101. Percentile yes requires base address and you are giving the base address 101. So from the base address 101, it will print all the characters until the null character. So 101 से print होगा. This is 100, 101 means O से print होगा. So that is the ONDON on done. ONDON. Right. So next, now the fifth printf. This is easy. Fifth printf. Okay, it's a post increment. Again, don't confuse post increment. Shubhi Goel. Right. You will have a doubt here, right? Right. So understand here, double star p plus plus. So first you have to say, okay, double star p only. Okay, p को बाद में increment करना. So p will be incremented later because p plus post increment. So p will be incremented later. Okay. So now apply double star. So p value, p को double star करो. Apply double star on the p. So p value is 708. Now one star apply करो. Value at the location 708, 604. Applying one more star. Value at the location 604. Value at the location 604. How much is that? 200. So okay, you are providing 200. Okay, you are giving 200 to the percentile yes. So from the okay base address 200, it will print all the characters until the null character. So 200 se print hoga, right? So so just check. So that is 200 se print hoga. That is also what? Birmingham. Okay, and it's a post increment is there. Post increment. So p value will change. P value will change to 712. So this pointer is no more. Now it is pointing to this. Fifth one, correct only, right? Fifth one, Birmingham. Yes. Yeah. So just check it out. Yeah. Okay. Somebody is saying Gaurav Kumar sir, there is a third printf. Star is there in the whole. So there is a star on the whole expression. Yes, sir. Third one ना whole expression का star ही किया मैंने. Third one whole expression का ही star किया. Why you are confusing? Look at here. Whole expression का ही star किया. पहले इसका पूरा निकालो. P minus 2 whole star. Okay, okay bracket whole star यहाँ पे लगा है, बाहर ही है ना, तो इसका पूरा वैल्यू निकालो, बाहर अप्लाई करो स्टार लास्ट में. So that is correct only. I did correct only. So why you are confusing? Star is there. Okay, on the whole braces. Yes, sir. P minus 2 whole star यहाँ पे है. Is that clear? So this value becomes what? Okay, इसके अंदर star होगा already. P minus 2 whole star because you are removing this square bracket. So star will come. So इसका value निकालो, इसका value निकालो, इसका value निकालो. Afterwards you apply star. So that is correct only. Right. Next, now understand here. So I think this one is clear. Number 5, Birmingham. And okay, so fine. And the next number 6. Listen carefully. Number 6. Many students are doing mistake in the number 6. Okay. Now number 6. Okay, if you observe, number 6 you are having triple star. Listen here. Number 6 you are having triple star. Many students are doing mistake in the number 6. Number 6 is a very good one. Number 6 is a good one. Very good one. Listen here. So these are the unary operators. First you need to implement this. Later you apply plus 2. Okay. So these are unary operators. First you apply right side and then binary operators will have. So now plus plus p pre increment, so 712 को plus plus p करेंगे 716, 716, so this is no more. Now this is pointing to this, this is pointing to this. Look at here, plus plus p is done. Now I am applying triple star, listen carefully. I am applying triple star, listen carefully, triple star. Now look at here, now first applying 1 star, value at the location 716, value at the location 716, okay, 616, एक star हो गया, 1 star completed, value at the location 616, 500, second star completed, and value at the location 500, value at the location 500 is what? This is M, capital M, so capital M, value at the location, value at the location 500, that is M. So M means what? M means M का ASCII value होगा. You are going to have the ASCII value of the M. ASCII value of M को क्या कर रहा है? प्लस 2 कर रहा है, प्लस 2. Okay, ASCII value of M को प्लस 2 कर रहा है. So ASCII value of M whatever is there, if I do प्लस 2, so M के बाद क्या होगा? N, N के बाद O. So that will print capital O, capital O, capital O. Listen here, I am explaining once again. Plus plus p you have done. Plus plus p means that becomes 716. Now apply triple star. Apply triple star. Okay. First 1 star apply करे तो इधर. Second star apply करे तो इधर. Third star apply करे. Third star means you are here. Here. So M ASCII value will be there. Capital M ASCII value. If I say plus 2, okay, that value plus 2 लेके मैं print कर रहा हूँ. I am saying plus 2 and I am printing. So that is a capital O. So look at here, so capital O. Remember, I am not changing this value. This value is not changed. I am just taking, okay, plus 2 करके print कर रहा हूँ. So plus 2 करके print कर रहा हूँ. Okay. So that is a capital O. Capital O. M N O, right? M के बाद plus 2 करेंगे. M के बाद N O. Okay. So capital O. And next S of 1 2. So percentile C है. It's a character, only one character you have to print. S of 1 2, so this is simple, you can do that. So S of 1 2, okay, you can just evaluate this. S plus 1 whole star, okay, this is again plus 2 whole star, right? S plus 1, S means what? S means 600, 600 plus 1 whole star, okay, plus 2 whole star. 600 plus 1 करे तो 604, 604 whole star plus 2 whole star. Value at the location 604, star apply करो, value at the location 604, 200. So this is 200, 200 plus 2 whole star. 200 plus 2 करेंगे, 200 plus 2 करेंगे तो क्या होगा? 202, 202 whole star. Value at the location 202, value at the location 202, how much is that? This is 201, 200, sorry, 200, 201, 202, 202, this is 202. 202 means what? A small r. So small r ASCII value you are giving, so it will print small r. So that is the small r will be printed. Is that clear? So you are giving the ASCII value of the small r. So value of the location 202, so that is small r. Okay, percentile C को क्या देना चाहिए? Percentile C is expecting what? ASCII value. Because percentile C को देना क्या चाहिए? ASCII value. अपन दे रहे हैं ASCII value. Value at the location 202. क्या रहेगा? ASCII value. R का ASCII value रहेगा तो percentile C it will print R on the screen. So this is the output you are going to get. Yeah, Siddhartha Soni, your okay chart is visible. So check how many of you got correct. Yeah, Rajan Kumar, Ranjan Kumar, is this clear now? Gaurav Kumar, is that clear? गौरव कुमार समझ में आया? गौरव and Ranjan, is this clear for everyone? If anybody want to copy, you copy this one. So this one is what? The seventh one. So this is the seventh printf, seventh one. So this is the fourth and this is the third. This is a R, right? Why it is E? There is no E. Value at the location 202, 202, 200, 201, 202. This is R only. Sir, third one, after plus 3, the star before you have applied. Third one, look at here. Why you are confusing? Star is only for this one. Okay, star is only, okay, open bracket, closing bracket. Star is only for this one. Afterwards, this entire value you have to do plus 3. बढ़िया क्वेश्चन था सर. I got 4/7. Samoga Ghosh. Yeah, I think what is this? Manav Sajida. After plus 3 it's a star. Before you upload. After plus 3 नहीं है. Plus 3 से पहले ही स्टार है. मानव सतीजा. क्या सोचते, क्या दिख रहे नहीं क्या तुमको? Manav Sachita, it is clearly visible, right? Okay, it's okay. It's okay. Small mistakes. It's okay. Fine. Right. If anybody want to copy, shall I remove this? मिटा दूं इसको, हटा दूं? Shall I remove this? Sir, you wrote R like E. अरे, it is not E. E कहाँ है? This is R. अरे, okay. Now it is okay. Otherwise, you write R like this. Okay. It is not E. It is R. R only. Okay. चलो, ठीक है. This is also R. Okay, okay. Birmingham, I said. Okay. This is also R only. ओके ओके. आर को तुमने ये समझ लिया क्या? हे भगवान. बर्मिंगम का स्पेलिंग तो तुमको मालूम होना चाहिए. बर्मिंगम बोला, हाँ, बीच में ई कैसे आता? राइट. ओके. चलो, शैल आई रिमूव दिस? इसको तो मिटा दे रहा हूं. आई थिंक एवरीवन कॉपीड दिस. Okay, so that one I will keep. So in case if anybody want to copy, so note down the next question. So I am changing the question completely. ये क्या है? So actually in your code it's looking like he. Okay, okay. So fine. Sir, where is the second one? Where is the second one? Abhijit, which one you are asking? Second one here only. Second one directly I solved. There is no explanation. Directly I solved. I said city name is Birmingham. In the Birmingham, you get R or you get E. It's okay. It's okay. That is fine. Chalo, one small letter, it is okay. Don't break your head. Yeah. So note down the next question. Okay. These pens are not writing properly. I don't understand. Okay, note down the next question. This is Qatar, Dubai, Bangkok, California, Texas. So these are my visiting places. Of course, in some places worked also, right? So completely the question is getting changed. S here, S plus 3 here, S plus 1, S plus 4, S plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So you copy the, I'm changing the printf's order also. The first number 1, you have to copy this. Number 1. Next. Number 2, you copy this. No, not this one. Number 2, you copy this one. So number 3, you copy this. Number 4, this one. Number 5, this one. Yeah, this number 6 and this is number 7. Okay, right. So I have changed completely the question. Yeah, Vartika Anand, where is your doubt? Your doubt is not coming. Yeah, sir, you are. No, Bangkok is just visiting place. Bangkok is not a working place. Okay. Uh, Vartika Anand, where is your doubt? Your doubt is not visible to me. Vartika Anand, can you copy paste your doubt once again? Vartika Anand, तुमने enter type नहीं किया. I have not received your doubt. Where is your doubt, Vartika Anand? There is in the chat box. There is no your doubt. Vartika Anand, your doubt is not visible to me. Can you send once again? Shubhi Goel, there is no shortcut. There is no shortcut. You have to solve in the same manner. With the practice, it will speed will improve. Vartika Anand, तुम्हारा doubt नया है बेटा. Send your doubt once again. Yeah, so copy in this manner. Listen here. So copy this carefully. Carefully copy this. And the first printf, you have to copy this one. I have changed the order. First printf, you have to copy this one. Listen carefully. पहले इसको copy करना. Okay, उसके बाद number 2 इसको copy करना. Number 3 इसको copy करना. Number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7. The entire question will change. के कारण तुम्हारा डाउट ही नहीं आया मेरे को. So entire question is changed. I have changed this order also. Here also I have changed the complete order. Here also completely I have changed the order. You copy the printfs according to this given numbers. Number 1 you copy this. Number 2, number 3, number 4, 5, 6, 7. You copy in this order. Yes, Rahul, yes. Bangkok, Dubai, Qatar, and these are all just visiting places. Of course, in Dubai, you can also working also there. Dubai, there's so many software companies also there in Dubai, but mostly just like, it's like visiting place. Vartikanand, you have not sent your doubt. I don't know. You are not sending your doubt. Other things, sir. Please see my doubt also. That one I received. Sir, please see my doubt. This I got. But where is your doubt? I don't know. Kavita Yadav, no question in the question. I don't know. Kavita Yadav, you solve it. The question is correct only. Yeah, if that is the case, it will print a garbage value. 600 minus 1 means, okay, it will change, print the garbage value. Yeah, Prakriti, that will give the garbage value. So don't take tension. Yes, in some question, if you are getting that, that will give the garbage value. Right. Yes, yes, yes. Akbar, yes, sir. Okay. So I think सॉल्व करो. आई विल मेक द डायग्राम. जब तक डायग्राम बना देता हूँ. Okay. Right. So done, guys. I gave the sufficient time, guys. Okay, let's try to solve this. So the first printf, I told you to execute this one. First printf this one. Listen carefully. I gave the sufficient time, more than 10 minutes ho gaya. It's more than 10 minutes. So I'm just explaining now the time up. Okay, right. So the first printf, double star p plus plus. It's a post increment. You have to say double star p and p को बाद में increment करना. So apply double star for the p. Okay, p value is 700. एक star करे तो 600. दूसरा star करे तो 100. So what you are providing here 100. So it will print what? Qatar. The first printf will be Qatar. Percentage yes is expecting base address, you are giving base address. So next you say plus plus p plus plus. Now the p value becomes 704. So this pointer is no more and it is now pointing to this one 704. So the first printf output is Qatar. Okay, and afterwards you say p plus plus, so p value becomes 704. And the second printf you have to execute this. Second printf I am executing this. So the first you evaluate this plus plus p. When you say plus plus p, pre-increment, so p value becomes 708. P value becomes 708. This value is no more. Now it is pointing to this one, 708. And next 708 apply star here. 708 को star apply करो. Value at the location 708. Value at the location 708. 604. 604. Okay, you apply minus minus. 604. 604. Okay, you say minus minus. So this value becomes what here? 600. So when this value becomes 600, so this pointer is no more. Now it is pointing to 600. It is pointing to 600. Okay, right? And apply star. Apply star. Value at the location 600. Value at the location 600. How much is that? Value at the location 600. 100. Okay. So this value is 100. 100 को plus 3 करेंगे तो 103. So from the base address 103, it will print all the characters until the null character. So base address 103. This is 100, 101, 102, 103. 103. So what will print? AR, Qatar. Okay, so don't confuse with my writing. Okay, that is AR. Okay, fine. So second printf, the answer is the AR. And the next, the third one is plus plus P करना है तो apply double star. So plus plus P करो. So this becomes 712. So this pointer is no more. So 716 printing mistake. So now look at here. Now this becomes 712. So now this pointer is now pointing to 712 here. And 712 को क्या करो? डबल स्टार अप्लाई करो. वैल्यू एट द लोकेशन 712. एक स्टार करे तो इधर और दूसरा स्टार करो. वैल्यू एट द लोकेशन 616. Okay, here 500. So that entire value is of 500. Okay, so you are applying 500. You are passing 500. So from the base address 500, you print all the characters until the null character, Texas. So number 3, third printf, Texas. Third printf, Texas. And the next, the fourth one you see P of minus 1 plus 1. So, okay, so I write here, so P of minus 1 plus 1. So how this value will be evaluated? P minus 1 whole star minus 1 whole star plus 1. Now the P value is how much here? 712. Now the P value 712 minus 1 whole star minus 1 whole star, okay, plus 1. 712 minus 1. Now tell me 712 minus 1. 712 minus 1 करेंगे तो क्या होगा? 708. 708 whole star minus 1 whole star. Now tell me value at the location 708. Value at the location 708. Listen carefully. Many students are having doubt here. Value at the location 708. How much is that? 600. This value 600 minus 1 whole star. Okay, this 600 minus 1 whole star. Now 600 means, okay, it is pointing to this one. 600 minus 1 करेंगे so it will decrement by 4 bytes. That becomes 596. 596 whole star. Now tell me value at the location 596. Value at the location 596. Here you are talking about value at the location 596. You don't know. Okay, what is the value you are having? What is the value you are having? We don't know what is there. And that base address you are giving. So this value, okay, is what? Garbage value you are giving. Okay, value at the location 596 garbage value. Garbage value you are providing to the percentile. So that will also again garbage value. So garbage value or okay error. Okay, anything you can take. So in the options, whichever is there, you can take that option. Garbage value or error. Remember, both will not be given. Your doubt comes. Intelligent fellows are there. Sir, दोनों है तो क्या करना? दोनों नहीं रहेगा. Either garbage value will be given or error will be given. So you can take anything. Right? So what is that one here? कौन सा number था इसका? Number 4. So this is number 4. Okay. So I'm writing here. So answer will be either garbage value or error. Okay. Right. Okay. And next, number 5. Number 5 I write here. Okay. P of minus 2 whole star. Okay. I'm writing here. P of minus 2. Look at here. P of minus 2. Okay. Whole star. उसके बाद क्या है? Plus 3. So plus 3. So this is P minus 2 whole star. इसको whole star है तो मतलब simple double star है बस उतना ही. P plus 3. So P value is how much here? 712 minus 2. इसको double star करो. Okay. Plus 3 करो. 712 minus 2 करो. 712 minus 1 करे तो 708. Minus 2 करे तो 704. So 704 को okay double star करो और plus 3 करो. Now tell me value at the location 704. Okay, एक स्टार अप्लाई करे तो 612. 612 को फिर से होल स्टार करो प्लस 3 करो. value at the location 612, value at the location 612, how much is that? 400. So 400 plus 3 करेंगे तो 403. So from the base address 403 it will print all the characters. 403, 400, 401, 402, 403. 403 मतलब I से print होगा, I. Okay, so कितना number? 5. So this you are giving 403. So I Fornia. I Fornia. So that will print I Fornia. Is that clear? So this is the answer. Okay, you will get. So this is question printf 5, I think, right? Yeah, printf 5. And printf 6. Printf 6 you have to say printf 6. So you will say okay plus plus p. Pre-increment first you say plus plus p. So that becomes 716. So ये pointer cut हो गया. It is pointing to this. Now look at here. Plus plus p किया. Number 6. Triple star apply करो. Plus 2 करो. Triple star. Okay. Value at the location 716. Value at the location 716. 608. एक star हो गया. 1 star completed. Value at the location 608. 300. Second star completed. Value at the location 300. Okay. This is B here. That is B. तो कैपिटल बी को क्या करना है? प्लस 2 करना है. कैपिटल बी को प्लस 2 करना है. सो कैपिटल बी उसके बाद सी अंडर डी. सो दैट विल बी कैपिटल डी. कैपिटल डी. ओके. एंड नेक्स्ट लास्ट वन एस ऑफ 1 2. एस ऑफ 1 2. एस ऑफ 1 मींस 200. 200 का 2. ओके. दिस इज 0 1 2. सो दिस इज बी. दैट्स इट. सो स्मॉल बी. एस ऑफ 1 2. ओके. लुक एट हियर. S of 1 means 200. Okay, इधर जाने के बाद okay 2. This is 0 1 2. So small b. So that is the answers. So the first printf Qatar, second one AR, third one is Texas, and the fourth one is error or garbage value, and the fifth one is Ifornia, sixth one is a capital D, seventh one is a small b. Okay. Yeah, fifth one it is the 712 minus 8. Yes, sir. Yeah, 712 minus 8, right. That is a 704, right, correct. Aryan, that is correct. So check out your answers. Yogita Chend. So please explain fourth one. Fourth one, P of minus 1 plus 1. I have written here P of minus 1 plus 1. P of minus 1. How you evaluate P minus 1 whole star. And this again minus 1 whole star. So P value 712 minus 1. 712 minus 1 means 708. Decrement by 4 bytes because every element is having 4 bytes there. So 708. 708 को star लगाओ. Value at the location 708. 600. 600. Okay. And 600 को minus 1 करो. 600 minus 1 means 600 means pointing to this one, right? 600 pointing to this one. What is the size of every element? 4 bytes. So when you decrement, so it is going to the previous value 590, okay, 6. So 596 को star लगाओ. We don't know what is 596. यहाँ पे 596 पे what value is there? Okay, we don't know, right? So that will give you garbage value or error. Okay, so दोनों नहीं रहेगा, right? So I think that is clear. So sixth one, Ajay Kumar Singh is asking sixth one. 6-1 क्या है? 6-1 सेम थिंग प्लस प्लस की किया. प्लस प्लस क्या 716. 716 को ट्रिपल स्टार करो बेटा. व्हाट इज योर नेम? Yogita Chand, I think I clarified. Yeah, Ajay Kumar Singh is 6-1. Okay, Ajay Kumar Singh. So look at here, 716 है ना, राइट? इसको ट्रिपल स्टार करो. एक स्टार करे तो इधर, दूसरा स्टार करे तो ओके 300, तीसरा स्टार करे तो बी. ओके, यहां पे बी का एस की वैल्यू रहेगा, बी का एस की वैल्यू रहेगा, बी एस की वैल्यू विल बी देयर. and again you say plus 2. So next one is what? After B you will have C, capital C, and next is capital D. Okay, so it will print capital D. So that's it. Right. So the next, the last question I am giving, okay, just for the speed up. Just for the speed up, I am giving, I am not going to explain the last question. Last question I am not going to explain. I am just giving the question just for the speeding up. Just for the practice I am giving. I will only give the answers. Okay, we'll write only answers. The last question I am giving. Just a speed up. Okay, you need to copy very fast and solve very fast. We'll write Bahubali characters. So Bahubali characters, Bahubali, what is that? Next, Bahubali, Katappa. Next, Bahubali characters. So Ballal Dev. Okay, everybody knows. Rajamata, Dev Sena. So I'm just writing Bahubali characters. So just a speed up. I'm changing the question completely. S plus 1, S plus 2, yes, S plus 4, S plus 3. Okay. So I'm changing the printing order also. Printing order, this is number 1, you copy. This is number 2. This is number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. This is number 7. So I'm changing the printing order. You copy this according to this. So just for the speed up. Yeah, Amulya Gulati, I will give the complete workbook solutions. So don't worry. So you start solving workbook which are related questions which are completed, and there are so many topics to be discussed. Don't worry. Don't worry. Everything, every question in the workbook you will solve. Workbook, complete video solution also I will give you, and I will give the complete PDF. PDF of the solutions also I will give you. So don't take any tension. Yeah, speed up this question. Right? Bahubali, Katappa, Ballaldev, Rajamata, Devasena. Okay, I've changed this. Okay, also. And change the printing order also. Complete question changed. And I'm not going to explain this, and only you are going to solve this. Speed up. Speed up. I just gave this answer just for the increasing the speed. Only 5 minutes or 6 minutes you have to solve. Because this is a third question. Third question, obviously, you should improve the speed. This is a third question, you must improve the speed. Third question. Copy the question carefully and speed up. Yeah, so I think I've written the answers. Yeah, most of you giving right answers. Yes. So excellent. So I have given the answers here. Okay, if anybody is having doubt, so just check it out. Okay, so these are the answers I have written. Okay, right? You can take garbage value or error. So dono na yoga. So whichever is there, you can take. Is that clear? So I think all the questions, okay, everything is very clear. So in the continue, we'll continue with the okay pointers in the tomorrow class also. Hopefully, we'll finish the pointers in the tomorrow class. Okay, right? Okay, fine. So in the next, we are having so many other things. Void pointer is there, typecasting is there, and so many things are there in the pointers also, right? Pointer to structures is there, and functions is there. We'll do all that. So after that, okay, we will enter slowly into other things also there. There are so many things. Arrays is there, recursion is there. I think it requires 2-3 more classes. Okay, 3 or 4 classes for programming, and after that we'll enter into data structures. So fine. Okay, see you in the tomorrow's class. Bye bye. So I'm leaving. So I think everyone is clear. I think hopefully there is no doubts in the today's class. So I'm just leaving. So revise the notes. Each and every point read the notes. Okay, notes. Read the notes carefully. Each and every point. Okay, read. Okay, from the notes. So this is the answers given to you. I hope you enjoyed the class. So see you in the tomorrow's class. Bye bye.